Hey there, financial enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we help you take control of your money and build a secure financial future. If you're new here, consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell, so you never miss our helpful videos. Today, we're diving into the importance of creating a financial plan and sticking to it, specifically using the 40-30-20 rule for budgeting. So, let's get started. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty of budgeting, let's address why having a financial plan is crucial. Just like any successful venture, having a roadmap is essential for reaching your financial goals. Without a plan, you may find yourself wandering aimlessly and making impulsive decisions that can lead to financial pitfalls. Now, let's introduce you to the 40-30-20 rule, a simple yet effective budgeting method that can put you on the path to financial success. The 40-30-20 rule is quite straightforward. It suggests dividing your income into three main categories: 40% for essentials, 30% for discretionary spending, and 20% for savings and investments. Let's break it down further. The first category, essentials, covers all your necessary expenses like housing, utilities, groceries, transportation, and insurance. These are the fixed costs you can't avoid. It's essential to allocate 40% of your income to this category. The second category is discretionary spending, which includes non-essential expenses such as dining out, entertainment, shopping for non-essential items, and hobbies. This category should be limited to 30% of your income. Finally, we have the third category, savings and investments. Allocating 20% of your income to this category will help you build an emergency fund, save for big goals, and invest in your future. Now that you know the 40-30-20 rule, it's time to put it into action. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to create your personal budget and stick to it. Step 1. Calculate your monthly income after taxes. This is the amount you have available to allocate to your budget. Step 2. Identify your essential expenses. These are the fixed costs like rent or mortgage, utilities, insurance, groceries, and transportation. Make sure they don't exceed 40% of your income. Step 3. Allocate 30% of your income for discretionary spending. This is the fun part. You can use this money for dining out, entertainment, and hobbies. Just remember not to go over this limit. Step 4. The remaining 20% should go directly into savings and investments. This is your financial future, so treat it as a priority. Step 5. Track your expenses diligently. You can use budgeting apps or spreadsheets to help you keep an eye on where your money is going. Being aware of your spending habits will make sticking to your plan much easier. It's crucial to stay disciplined and committed to your budget. There might be times when you face unexpected expenses or temptations to overspend on discretionary items. But remember, staying on track will lead to financial security and open up opportunities for a better future. Lastly, don't be afraid to make adjustments as needed. Life is unpredictable, and your financial plan should be flexible enough to adapt to changing circumstances. So, to wrap it all up, creating a financial plan is like drawing a map to your financial success, and the 40-30-20 rule can be your compass. By allocating 40% to essentials, 30% to discretionary spending, and 20% to savings and investments, you're setting yourself up for a brighter and more stable future. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. As always, let us know your thoughts and questions in the comments below. Until next time, take care and happy budgeting.